Okay, everything went well, and because because you're feeling better with all the gallop stuff, I want to take care of the next two rhythms we were going to do in one go. So hopefully it still goes well. So the next thing would be doing the two reverse gallops and then two gallops, and it's back to back straight away. Just reverse gallop, reverse gallop. Also mixing in some difficulty with throwing in the extra chord changes. So let's see how this goes. Starting at 60, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a done. See, I'm going to go up in 20s, make sure I keep counting this correctly, because stuff like this can get quite confusing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2. I've already goofed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I questioned something there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 4 and 1 That was wrong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Let's try the repeats at 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ran out of breath on that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 again, 2 again, 3 and 4 and 1 again, 2 again, 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 again, 2 again, 3 and 4 and 1 again, 2 and 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 3 and Damn. I'm gonna drop it down to 140. Like I said, these are tough. They're confusing when they keep changing this much. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There. Whew, okay. Next sweep picking thing, we're going to do a B minor 7 flat 5. So with this one, same idea as last time, where we took one of the shapes you already know and just added a note below it, turned it into a 7th chord. We're going to do the same thing here. So we're taking this D minor, that shape, so that minor shape you learned. I think we were practicing it over here though, the A minor. It's going to be the same shape starting on D. And 2 notes below that in the key of C, we land on B. So this is a combination of a B diminished, so B, D, and F, and D minor. So when you have the notes of a B diminished and a D minor together, you got yourself a B minor 7 flat 5, which is that right there. I'd say that's the most popular way or easiest way to play that chord, which we will get into as we continue to progress with theory. Anyway, let's play this guy now. Yeah, if you start hitting 240 with these things, we can start, we can up the amount of notes we play per beat. Good to see that you're getting faster at them, though. Very good. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So yeah, good. I'm glad you're getting back to memorizing those scales. I guess that's what you said you had. So, let me know if you'd want me to do this for you. Something I do with some people, I've been doing it more and more often, because more and more people seem to have the damnedest time memorizing this stuff. I think we did it a couple times, maybe. But like, yeah, I think we did a couple times. Maybe not. But basically, I can do stuff where I add like backing drums and bass to these things to make it more entertaining to practice. So if you want me to do that, we can definitely start doing that more often. Just let me know. Because I don't always do that, because if somebody can just memorize the shapes just by doing it up and down, just getting it down, then, get it done fast. But I also understand that some people, it's just like a big grind of like, God damn it, do I really have to do this kind of thing? And then having it as more of a song sounding thing, with the backing drums and bass and whatnot. Sometimes that really helps people to stick with it, to make it more fun. So just let me know if you'd like to do that. We can definitely start incorporating that more often. Let's talk about the chords. So I know you said you got through one of the sheets. I just wanted to talk about some things you could do that might help you get through it faster if need be. So it's set for, hang on. Yeah, it's set for the 8th notes there. I don't remember if I talked about this yet. So if I'm repeating myself, sorry. So you don't have to do it exactly how it is. The main thing here is I want you to learn the shapes, get familiar with going from one to the next, seeing how we can go from, basically we have the same chord progression and it looks like the same movement in the different keys. So one of the first things you can do, just to simplify it, is turn all the 8th notes into quarter notes and the quarter notes into half notes. So maybe doing something like that at 90, if this helps you get through them faster, then good idea to do. So let's try this. I'm going to do the first one here at 90, but all eighth notes is quarter notes, all quarter notes is half notes. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So something like that is perfectly fine. Let's see. Well, if you didn't notice, one thing I'm doing on some of these chords, like going into that F major, I'm putting down one finger at a time. Going into the B diminished, one finger at a time. I'm not doing it for the A minor because that one's just so easy for me right now. I don't need to. But stuff like that is a really good idea because, at least for me and a lot of people, it can help us compartmentalize everything that's happening. So instead of thinking like I gotta get everything down at once while only picking one string, like it's different when you're strumming it. Like jumping in that, when you're strumming it, versus like arpeggiating it feels more natural to put one finger down at a time. So try that if you haven't been doing so yet. It can really help out. And yeah, just doing a slow approach like that, perfectly fine. Because again, the goal is just get through it. Get through it so you can have the experience of playing all this stuff and seeing it everywhere and just getting those chord shapes down. So I think that about covers that. So yeah, again, let me know if you want me to start adding like drums and bass to the scale memorization work. If you feel that would help you get through it faster and just make it more enjoyable, we'll do that. And yeah, I think that's it. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.